Hi, just a short video to show the condition of this Dyson V8 Absolute vacuum cleaner. It's in good clean condition, comes with everything as pictured. Comes with the bush bar head. I've taken this apart and fully cleaned it. As you can see. The wall mount doesn't have any screws and official charger. A brand new replacement crevice tool, a brand new replacement combination tool. The hard floor unit, brush head. I've taken this fully apart and cleaned it. As you can see, it's lovely and clean, that is. The wand has silly little scratches on it. Up and down. And then the main motor unit. The filter is clean. Both filters are clean. That one clean, that one clean. I've washed the head out, washed the bin out. This has a brand new, I purchased this 2 days ago, 4600 mAh battery. It is brand new. So it's full working order. I'll show you it working. If you don't know about Dysons, there's two modes. Economy mode, maximum mode. Economy mode, battery lasts quite a while on economy mode, and when you put it on max mode it gives you more boost, but it dramatically discharges the batteries. You'll hear why. So that'll drain the battery a lot quicker until you charge it. To charge, simply plug into the wall with and then slot in. The light will come on. When the light goes off, it's charged. Do not leave it on charge. The worst thing you can do with batteries is leave them on charge, because it will just kill the battery. I'll just show you it working quickly. Very hard to do one-handed. The other heading. So it's in full working order. Oh, to empty it, when it gets full up, hold it over a bin, bag, whatever you want. Lift this up, and the bottom will open, and then you can drop all the litter out. Rubbish. If it pulses as like this noise, that means there's something blocked, either in the wand, the head, or the pipework. Simply unblock it and it'll be back to normal. I have many other Dysons listed also. Please take a look. Any questions, please just ask.